wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best tabletop electric grills. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The Easy Street utility is a great option for those with small decks or patios and who don't have space for a full-size unit. It heats up fast and has simple power controls. Plus there's a drip cup on the back to catch grease, making cleanup much easier. It comes with a large cooking surface, however assembly takes a while, and this one's not for indoor use. At number 9, the DeLonghi Perfecto features a large cooking surface and a compact, easy-to-transport package that weighs just 11 pounds. The grate is removable, making it a breeze to clean, and it has a simple dial control with an indicator light to let you know when it's heated. The thermostat is detachable, and the lid keeps food warm after cooking, but its non-stick coating is not very durable. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Capable of reaching temperatures between 195 and 445 degrees Fahrenheit, the Miles Kimball 13 inch is a no-fuss option that won't take up too much space. The non-stick finish allows you to use less oil than other surfaces, and it's super easy to clean too. It heats up quickly and evenly, and the handles don't get hot. However, it can be rather smoky. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tabletop electric grills, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Hamilton Beach Super comes with an illuminated button that takes it up to a high temperature quickly, so you can achieve that perfect sear. The floating hinge allows you to cook foods of a variety of widths, from a simple grilled cheese sandwich to an extra thick ribeye. It cooks most meals in under 10 minutes, and its drip tray is dishwasher safe, but it's a bit difficult to clean. Moving up our list to number 6. If you're looking for versatility, the Swissmar Classic certainly delivers. Its enameled cast iron plate is reversible, with one ribbed and one flat side, and it includes 8 small non-stick pans that are excellent for cooking toppings and side dishes. It comes with a spatula for each dish and is also available in black. It's backed by a 1-year warranty. Halfway up our list at number 5. Perfect for low-fat cooking, the mliter 2-in-1 features drainage holes for excess grease. It has a tray that can be filled with water to minimize smoke, and the temperature controls sport helpful illustrations to show you which level is best for different types of food. It offers ribbed and flat areas, and the plate is removable for easy cleaning. It's compact and portable. At number 4, featuring a built-in temperature gauge and porcelain-coated grates, the char-broil patio bistro gets hotter than most other options, allowing you to achieve a great sear. It has a large cooking area while still being portable, but note that it's made for outdoor use only. It's easy to assemble with a warming rack for resting meats. Its infrared heat causes fewer flare-ups. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, with a built-in timer and a floating hinge to accommodate thicker cuts of meat, the George Foreman Multi-Plate Evolve is versatile and easy to use. The ceramic plates are PTFE and PFOA free, and they're dishwasher safe to boot. It features straightforward digital controls, a sear button that provides a burst of heat, and waffle plates. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tabletop electric grills, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, with the Hamilton Beach Multigrill Plus, you can close the lid for burgers and sandwiches or open it up to double your cooking surface. It's also great for frying bacon without having to deal with messy grease flying everywhere. It includes 3 interchangeable plates, a kickstand for draining excess oil, and power and preheat indicator lights. And taking the top spot on our list. If you're new to cooking, the t-fal optigrill will be your best friend in the kitchen. It senses the thickness of meats and beeps to let you know when they're rare, medium, or well done. The controls are simple and intuitive, and it has a beautiful stainless steel finish. It's equipped with 6 pre-programmed cooking modes and a defrost setting. It's available in 2 sizes. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tabletop electric grills, or simply click beneath this video.